Public health officials say the level of COVID spreading through our community has risen to the high category. That means people are encouraged to wear masks indoors once again. For a lot of us, that's really discouraging as we try to move past COVID-19. And as Catherine Merck found out, our health leaders feel the same way.
Charlotte, the biggest county in our area is back to recommending masks indoors. That's enough to leave both us and Dane County's health leaders wanting to be done with this pandemic. But as hospitalizations continue to rise, we're seeing the proof that COVID-19 isn't done with all of us. These public officials are feeling the same way that you're feeling about COVID-19.
We're all sick of it.
I'm just as tired of this virus as anyone. I'm tired of wearing a mask. I'm tired of having to deal with it.
Despite that, the illness isn't going away.
Public health and the healthcare providers, determined that, recommending a mask, that people wear masks indoors is the prudent thing to do right now.
CDC determines a county's community level spread based on new reported cases per 100,000 people, new regional hospital admissions, and the percent of regional inpatient beds occupied by COVID patients over the past week. It's the hospitalization number that they're most concerned about in our area.
To move into high, we would need to be over 10 admissions per 100,000, and we're currently at 10.8. So we're just slightly above that as a region, but it is enough to push us into that high community threshold.
And while it can be frustrating to put the mask back on, it's all to make sure you're not actually going to get sick.
What we're intending to do is to continue to make resources available to the community to keep them as well as possible while we're learning how to live with this virus.
Tired of it disrupting our community's life, but it's unfortunately not tired of us yet.
The county did say COVID case numbers are relatively stable in Dane County right now, but they think they're likely underreported due to the accessibility of at-home rapid tests.
And as the story continues to develop and we hear more from the health department and CDC, be sure to stay with News 3 Now and channel3000.com or download our free news app.